Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. We have the Redmi Note 10 Pro and it's going to be an absolutely amazing device. I have made a bunch of videos for that particular device, also done the unboxing on my channel. Do consider checking them out. Their links are in the description and in the card as well. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can add the SIM and the microSD card properly inside the Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So first of all, we have to see the SIM situation, what is going to be coming in. I think that is going to coming with dual SIM slot, a dedicated SIM slot inside with the micro SD card slot to be dedicated as well. Yeah, we have the micro SD card which is going to be dedicated, and also two SIM slot which are going to be available. One of the things which is going to be noticeable, that it is not going to be a great SIM tray because it's going to be of plasticky and can break quite easily. So do care and do an extra care on that as well. So guys, I am going to now show you how you can add the micro SD and the SIM in your device properly, because this is going to be looking like a really ridiculous plastic, because it is not going to be lost very long. So I'm going to tell you how you can add your SIM and your micro SD card. So here is our SIM. You just need to properly place with the cutout that is going to be present here. I'm going to place it here, and the other thing is going to be the micro SD card. You can place like that on here, and as you can see, we have another option to put another SIM inside. You can do that as well. So here I go putting the SIM tray in the slot. So do an extra careful here, because this is going to be a little bit on a trickier part. As you can see, the SIM has just popped out from the slot, and that's the thing I'm talking about earlier, that you have to be an extra careful as well, because this is going to be really cheap material. So here we go, I'm inserting the SIM inside my device, and as you can already see here, it's properly enter into the SIM slot. So that's it. This is going to be the simple method through which you can add your SIM inside your device. So I think that this is going to be really simple method through which you can use and add the SIM on your device. I hope this video has helped you. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If that video has helped you out, do consider subscribing my channel for more amazing content that is coming later this month. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.